Hey, this D with the Gumby Kill switch, it's off and on like my main chick. I'm going so crazy, I take your favorite kid shit. I go ballistic through the grapevine for them presidents. We can all be so relentless, oh so vicious, but it's good vibes, so don't mind my intentions. Good times, the ones that will I'll remember. Elevate your mind, it's all about your visions. Elevate your mind, it's all about your visions. Always tell yourself, remember, go hard for the money, happiness, and seeing that we've all grown. Even if the prerogative of some bullshit, have your mind blown. Can't make it, I was seeing the crowd claw grabbing at your soul. I can't even blame you. I keep the convo small, I can't recall I ever claimed you. Most claim they come from nothing, but we all go through the motions. You might just need to change your decision, excusing your emotions. It's all in your corner and the boat so afloat. And since my mind's tied up, I'm gonna find the clues. They don't want you to be yourself. Well, shit, I got bad news, so it's still screw you. Kill switch, it's off and on like my main chick. I'm going so crazy, I take your favorite kid shit. I go ballistic through the grapevine for them presidents. We can all be so relentless, oh so vicious, but it's good vibes, so don't mind my intentions. Good times, the ones that will I'll remember. Elevate your mind, it's all about your visions. Elevate your mind, it's all about your visions. I can verbally assault you, I only would consult you. Now we don't play fast, same thing with the killings, but it's all about your visions. Fuck the obstacle, just complete the missions. I'm on edge, eager to explode, I'm been about the business. Ay, always on my toes with the mindset on combat. Man, they always wanna talk that shit, then go tit for tat. You think I'm a terrorist, the way I think about homicide. Who down the ride? Who down the slide? A dude left a comment about Ryan and Claire on my Insta. I pray for him since I won't kill your dude more than frisk ya. I'm getting warmer by the set, take my temperature. Damn, I broke the furnace, stupid bitch. My inner trunk done pulled the kill switch. It's off and on like my main chick. I'm going so crazy, I take your favorite kid shit. I go ballistic through the grapevine for them presidents. We can all be so relentless.